The world is your home, Lord, our heart is your home. A heart full of love, Lord, my heart is your home. We are the children, children of Sai. 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 Satya, Dharma, Shanti, Prema, Ahimsa. Love all, serve all is your call. Love if you can, hurt no one in despair. For you are the Father and we are the children, children of Sai. 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 Kali Yuga Deva Avatara. You have come to guide us all. Sachidananda Avatara. Guide us all, lead us all. Guide us all, lead us all. We are the children, children of Sai. Kali Yuga Deva Avatara. We love you, Father, show us the way. Sachidananda Avatara. We love you, Mother, show us the way. We love you, Mother, show us the way. Avatara, Sachidananda Avatara. Kali Yuga Deva Avatara. Sachidananda Avatara. We are the children, children of Sai. We are the children, children of Sai. Kali Yuga Deva Avatara. Sachidananda Avatara. Kali Yuga Deva Avatara. Sachidananda Avatara. Children of Sai. Sachidananda Avatara. We are the children, children of Sai. We are the children, children of Sai.
गणानां त्वा गणपतिगुं हवामहे कविं कवीनामुपमश्रवस्तमम् ज्येष्ठराजं ब्रह्मणां ब्रह्मणस्पत आनः शृण्वन्नोतिभिः सीदसादनम् प्रणो देवी सरस्वती वाजेभिर्वाजिनीवती धीनामवित्रयवतु गणेशाय नमः सरस्वत्यै नमः श्रीगुरुभ्यो नमः हरिः ओम्।
ॐ नमो भगवते रुद्राय। ॐ नमस्ते रुद्रमण्यव उतोत इषवे नमः। नमस्ते अस्तु धन्वने बाहुभ्यामुदते नमः। यात इषुः शिवतमा शिवं बभूवते धनुः। शिवा शरव्या यातवतया नो रुद्रमृडया। याते रुद्रशिवा तनूरघोरा पापकाशिनी। तयानस्तनुवाशन्तमया गिरिशन्ताभिचाकशीः यामिषुं गिरिशन्तहस्ते बिभर्ष्यस्तवे शिवाङ्गिरित्रतां कुरु माहि गुंसेः पुरुषं जगत् शिवेन वचसा त्वा गिरिशाच्छावदामसे यथा नः सर्वमिज्जगदयक्ष्मगुं सुमना असत् अध्यवोचदधिवक्ता प्रथमो दैव्योऽभिषक् अहेगश्च सर्वाञ्जम्भयन् सर्वाश्च यातु धान्यः असौ यस्ताम्रो अरुण उत बभ्रुः सुमङ्गलः ये चेमागुं रुद्रा अभितो दिक्षुश्रिता सहस्रशो वैशागुं हेडयेमहे असव्यो वसर्पति नीलग्रीवो विलोहितः उतैनं गोपा अदृशन्नदृशन्नुदहार्यः उतैनं विश्वा भूतानि सदृष्टो मृडयातिनः नमो अस्तु नीलग्रीवाय सहस्राक्षाय मीढुषे अथो ये अस्य सत्त्वानो हन्तेभ्यो करन्नमः प्रमुञ्च धन्वनस्त्वमुभयोरात्नियोर्जाम् याश्च ते हस्त इषवः पराता भगवो वप अवतत्यधनुस्त्वगुं सहस्राक्षशते शुधे निशीर्य शल्याणां मुखा शिवो नः सुमना भव विज्यं धनुः कपर्दिनो विशल्यो बाणवागुम् उत अनेशन्नस्येषव आभुरस्य निषङ्गतिः याते हेतुर्मीढुष्टमहस्ते बभूव ते धनुः तयास्मान् विश्वतस्त्वमयक्ष्मया परिभुजा नमस्ते अस्त्वायुधाय नातताय धृष्णवे उभाभ्यामुत ते नमो बाहुभ्यां तव धन्वने परिते धन्वनो हेतिरस्मान् वृणत्तु विश्वतः अथो य इषुधिस्तवारे अस्मन्निधेहितम् नमस्ते अस्तु भगवन् विश्वेश्वराय महादेवाय त्र्यम्बकाय त्रिपुरान्तकाय त्रिकाग्निकालाय कालाग्निरुद्राय नीलकण्ठाय मृत्युञ्जयाय सर्वेश्वराय सदाशिवाय श्रीमन्महादेवाय नमः नमो हिरण्यबाहवे सेनान्ये दिशाञ्च पतये नमो नमो वृक्षेभ्यो हरिकेशेभ्यः पशूनां पतये नमो नमः सस्मिञ्जराय त्विषीमते पथीनां पतये नमो नमो बभ्रुषाय व्याधिनेन्नानां पतये नमो नमो हरिकेशायोपवीतिने पुष्टानां पतये नमो नमो भवस्य हेत्यै जगतां पतये नमो नमो रुद्राय तताविने क्षेत्राणां पतये नमो नमः सूताय हन्त्याय वनानां पतये नमो नमो रोहिताय स्थपतये वृक्षाणां पतये नमो नमो मन्त्रिणे वाणिजाय कक्षाणां पतये नमो नमो भुवन्तये वारिवस्कृताय औषधीनां पतये नमो नम उच्चैर्घोषाय क्रन्दयते पत्रीणां पतये नमो नमः कृत्स्नवेताय धावते सत्त्वनां पतये नमः नमः सहमानाय निव्याधिन आव्याधिनीनां पतये नमो नमः ककुभाय निषङ्गिणे स्तेनानां पतये नमो नमो निषङ्गिण इषुधिमते तस्कराणां पतये नमो नमो वञ्चते परिवञ्चते स्तायूनां पतये नमो नमो निचेरवे परिचरायारण्यानां पतये नमो नमः श्रुकाविभ्यो जिघागुंसद्भ्यो मुष्णतां पतये नमो नमोऽसिमद्भ्यो नक्तं चरद्भ्यः प्रकृन्तानां पतये नमो नम उष्णीषिणे गिरिचराय कुलुञ्चानां पतये नमो नम इषुमद्भ्यो धन्वाविभ्यश्च वो नमो नम आतन्वानेभ्यः प्रतिदधानेभ्यश्च वो नमो नम आयच्छद्भ्यो विसृजद्भ्यश्च वो नमो नमोऽस्यद्भ्यो विद्यद्भ्यश्च वो नमो नम आसीनेभ्यः शयानेभ्यश्च वो नमो नमः स्वपद्भ्यो जाग्रद्भ्यश्च वो नमो नमस्तिष्ठद्भ्यो धावद्भ्यश्च वो नमो नमः सभाभ्यः सभापतिभ्यश्च वो नमो नमो अश्वेभ्योऽश्वपतिभ्यश्च वो नमः नम आव्याधिनीभ्यो विविध्यन्तेभ्यश्च वो नमो नम उगणाभ्यस्त्रिगुंहतेभ्यश्च वो नमो नमो गृत्सेभ्यो गृत्सपतिभ्यश्च वो नमो नमो व्रातेभ्यो व्रातपतिभ्यश्च वो नमो नमो गणेभ्यो गणपतिभ्यश्च वो नमो नमो विरूपेभ्यो विश्वरूपेभ्यश्च वो नमो नमो महद्भ्यः क्षुल्लकेभ्यश्च वो नमो नमो रथिभ्यो रथेभ्यश्च वो नमो नमो रथेभ्यो रथपतिभ्यश्च वो नमो नमः सेनाभ्यः सेनानिभ्यश्च वो नमो नमः क्षत्रुभ्यः सङ्ग्रहेतृभ्यश्च वो नमो नमस्तक्षद्भ्यो रथकारेभ्यश्च वो नमो नमः कुलालेभ्यः कर्मारेभ्यश्च वो नमो नमः पुञ्जिष्टेभ्यो निषादेभ्यश्च वो नमो नम इषुकृद्भ्यो धन्वकृद्भ्यश्च वो नमो नमो मृगयुभ्यश्वनिभ्यश्च वो नमो नमः श्वभ्यश्वपतिभ्यश्च वो नमः नमो भवाय च रुद्राय च नमः शर्वाय च पशुपतये च नमो नीलग्रीवाय च शितिकण्ठाय च नमः कपर्दिने च व्युप्तकेशाय च नमः सहस्राक्षाय च शतधन्वने च नमो गिरिशाय च शिपिविष्टाय च नमो मेढुष्टमाय चेषुमते च नमो ह्रस्वाय च वामनाय च नमो बृहते च वर्षीयसे च नमो वृद्धाय च संवृध्वने च नमो अग्र्याय च प्रथमाय च नमः आशवे चाजिराय च नमः शीघ्र्याय च शेभ्याय च नमः ऊर्म्याय चावस्वन्याय च नमः स्रोतस्याय च द्वीप्याय च नमो ज्येष्ठाय च कनिष्ठाय च नमः पूर्वजाय चापरजाय च नमो मध्यमाय चापगल्भाय च नमो जघन्याय च बुद्ध्याय च नमः सोऽभ्याय च प्रतिसर्याय च नमो याम्याय च क्षेम्याय च नमः उर्वर्याय च खल्याय च नमः श्लोक्याय चावसान्याय च नमो वन्याय च कक्ष्याय च नमः श्रवाय च प्रतिश्रवाय च नमः आशुषेणाय चाशुरथाय च नमः शूराय चावबिन्दते च नमो वर्मिणे च वरूथिने च नमो बिल्मिने च कवचिने च नमः श्रुताय च श्रुतसेनाय च नमो दुन्दुभ्याय च हनन्याय च नमो धृष्णवे च प्रमृषाय च नमो दूताय च प्रहिताय च नमो निषङ्गिणे चेषुधिमते च नमस्तीक्ष्णेशवे चायुधिने च नमः स्वायुधाय च सुधन्वने च नमः श्रुत्याय च पथ्याय च नमः काट्याय च नीप्याय च नमः सोद्याय च सरस्याय च नमो नाद्याय च वैशन्ताय च नमः कूप्याय च वट्याय च नमो वर्ष्याय च वर्ष्याय च नमो मेघ्याय च विद्युत्याय च नमः ईध्र्याय च तप्याय च नमो वात्याय च रेश्म्याय च नमो वास्तव्याय च वास्तुपाय च ॐ हर 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 ॐ नमः सोमाय च रुद्राय च नमस्ताम्राय च रुणाय च नमः शङ्गाय च पशुपतये च नम उग्राय च भीमाय च नमो अग्रे वधाय च दूरे वधाय च नमो हन्त्रे च हनीयसे च नमो वृक्षेभ्यो हरिकेशेभ्यो नमस्ताराय नमः शम्भवे च मयो भवे च नमः शङ्कराय च मयस्कराय च नमः शिवाय च शिवतराय च नमस्तीर्थ्याय च कूल्याय च नमः पार्याय च वार्याय च नमः प्रतरणाय चोत्तरणाय च नमः आतार्याय च लाद्याय च नमः शष्प्याय च फेन्याय च नमः सिकत्याय च प्रवाह्याय च नम इरण्याय च प्रपथ्याय च नमः किगुंशिलाय च क्षयणाय च नमः कपर्दिने च पुलस्तये च नमो गोष्ठ्याय च गृह्याय च नमस्तल्प्याय च गेह्याय च नमः काट्याय च गह्वरेष्ठाय च नमो हृदयाय च निवेश्प्याय च नमः पागुंसव्याय च रजस्याय च नमः शुष्क्याय च हरित्याय च नमो लोप्याय चोलप्याय च नमः ऊर्व्याय च सूर्म्याय च नमः पर्ण्याय च पर्णशद्याय च नमोपगुरमाणाय च भिघ्नते च नमः आखिदते च प्रखिदते च नमो वः किरिकेभ्यो देवानागुं हृदयेभ्यो नमो विक्षीणकेभ्यो नमो विचिन्वत्केभ्यो नम आनिर्हतेभ्यो नम आमीवत्केभ्यः द्रापे अन्धसस्पते दरिद्रन्नीललोहिता येषां पुरुषाणामेषां पशूनां माभेर्मा रोमो येषां किञ्चनाममत् या ते रुद्रशिवा तनो शिवा विश्वाह भेषजी शिवा रुद्रस्य भेषजी तया नो मृडजीवसे इमागुं रुद्राय तवसे कपर्दिने क्षयद्वेराय प्रभरामहे मतिम् यथा नः शमसद्विपदे चतुष्पदे विश्वं पुष्टं ग्रामे अस्मिन्ननातुरम् मृडानो रुद्रो तनो मयस्कृधि क्षयद्वेराय नमसा विधेमते यच्छञ्च योश्च मनुरायजे पिता तदश्याम तव रुद्रः प्रणीतो मानो महान्तमुतमानो अर्भकं मान उक्षन्तमुतमान उक्षितम् मानो वधेः पितरं मोत मातरं प्रियामानस्तनुवो रुद्ररीरिषः मानस्तोकेतनये मान आयुषि मानो गोषु मानो अश्वेषु रीरिषः वीरान्मानो रुद्रभामितो वधेर्हविष्मन्तो नमसा विधेमते आरात्ते गोघ्न उत पूरुषघ्ने क्षयद्वीराय सुम्नमस्मे ते अस्तु रक्षा च नो अधि च देव ब्रूह्यधा च न शर्म यच्छद्विबर्हाः तुहि श्रुतं गर्तसदंयुवानं मृगन्न भीममुपहक्तृमुग्रम् मृडाचरित्रे रुद्रस्तवानो अन्यन्ते अस्मन्निवपन्तु सेनाः परिणो रुद्रस्य हेतर्वृणत्तु परित्वेषस्य दुर्मतिरघायोः अवस्थिरा मघवद्भ्यस्तनुष्वमेढ्वस्तोकायतनयाय मृडया मेढुष्टमशिवतमशिवो नः सुमना भवा परमे वृक्ष आयुधन् निधाय कृत्तिं वसान आचर पिनाकं बिभ्रदागहि विकिरितविलोहित नमस्ते अस्तु भगवः यास्ते सहस्रगुं हेतयोऽन्यमस्मन्निवपन्तु ताः सहस्राणि सहस्रधा बाहुवोस्तव हेतयः तासामीशानो भगवः पराचीनामुखाकृधे सहस्राणि सहस्रशो ये रुद्रा अधिभूम्याम् तेषागुं सहस्रयोजने वधन्वानि तन्मसे अस्मिन्महत्यर्णवेऽन्तरिक्षे भवा अधि नीलग्रीवा शितिकण्ठा शर्वा अधः क्षमाचराः नीलग्रीवा शितिकण्ठा दिवगुं रुद्रा उपश्रिताः ये वृक्षेषु सस्पिञ्जरा नीलग्रीवा विलोहिताः ये भूतानामधिपतयो विशिखासः कपर्दिनः ये अन्येषु विविध्यन्ति पात्रेषु पिबतो जनान् ये पथां पथि रक्षय ऐलभृदायव्युधः ये तीर्थानि प्रचरन्ति श्रुकावन्तो निषङ्गिणः य एतावन्तश्च भूयागुंसश्च दिशो रुद्रावितस्थिरे तेषागुं सहस्रयोजने वधन्वानि तन्मसे नमो रुद्रेभ्यो ये पृथिव्यां येऽन्तरिक्षे ये दिवि येषामन्नं वातो वर्षमिषभस्तेभ्यो दश प्राचीर्दश दक्षिणादश प्रतीचीर्दशोदीचीर्दशोर्ध्वास्तेभ्यो नमस्ते नो मृडयन्तु तेयं द्विष्मो यश्च नो द्वेष्टितं वोजम्भे दधामि त्र्यम्बकं यजामहे सुगन्धिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकमिव बन्धनान् मृत्योर्मुक्षीयमामृतात् यो रुद्रो अग्नौ यो अप्सु य ओषधीषु यो रुद्रो विश्वा भुवना विवेश तस्मै रुद्राय नमो अस्तु ये ते सहस्रमयुतं पाशा मृत्योमर्त्याय हन्तवे तान् यज्ञस्य मायया सर्वानवयजामहे मृत्यवे स्वाहा मृत्यवे स्वाहा प्राणानां ग्रन्थिरसि रुद्रो मा विशान्तकः तेनान्येनाप्यायस्व नमो रुद्राय विष्णवे मृत्युर्मे पाहि तमुष्टुहि यस्विषुः सुधन्वायो विश्वस्य क्षयति भेषजस्य यक्ष्वा महेशो मनसाय रुद्रं नमोभिर्देवमसुरन्दुवस्य अयं मे हस्तो भगवानयं मे भगवत्तरः अयं मे विश्वभेषजो यगुं शिवाभिमर्शनः ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः
शञ्च मे मयश्च मे प्रियञ्च मेऽनुकामश्च मे कामश्च मे सौमनसश्च मे भद्रं च मे श्रेयश्च मे वस्यश्च मे यशश्च मे भगश्च मे द्रविणं च मे यन्ता च मे धर्ता च मे क्षेमश्च मे धृतिश्च मे विश्वं च मे महश्च मे संविच्च मे ज्ञात्रं च मे सोश्च मे प्रसोश्च मे सीरं च मे लयश्च मरुतं च मे मृतं च मे यक्ष्मं च मे नामयच्च मे जीवातुश्च मे दीर्घायुत्वं च मे न मित्रं च मे भयं च मे सुगं च मे शयनं च मे सुषा च मे सुदिनं च मे ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः स्वस्ति प्रजाभ्यः परिपालयन्ताम् न्यायेन मार्गेण महीमहीषाः गोब्राह्मणेभ्यः शुभमस्तु नित्यम् समस्तलोकाः सुखिनो भवन्तु समस्तलोकाः सुखिनो भवन्तु समस्तलोकाः सुखिनो भवन्तु ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः
भजो रे गणनाथं भजो रे गिरिधर गोविंद गोपाल घनश्याम नंदलाला गोविंद गोपाल घनश्याम नंदलाला राम नंदलाला।
राज राजेश्वरी जगन्मोहिनी, राज राजेश्वरी जगन्मोहिनी, राज राजेश्वरी जगन्मोहिनी, राज राजेश्वरी जगन्मोहिनी, जगदम्बे
भोला भंडारी बाबा, शिव 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 साई बाबा।
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 अनाथ रक्षक दीन दयाला, पतित पावन साई बाबा। पतित पावन साई बाबा। भोला भंडारी बाबा, शिव 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 साई बाबा। योगेश्वर साई मुरारी, योगेश्वर है त्रिपुरारी। योगेश्वर साई मुरारी, योगेश्वर है त्रिपुरारी। नित्यानंद ब्रह्मानंद प्रेमानंद साई बाबा। नित्यानंद ब्रह्मानंद प्रेमानंद साई बाबा। भोला भंडारी बाबा, पतित पावन साईं बाबा। भोला भंडारी बाबा शिव 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 साईं बाबा। योगेश्वर साईं मुरारी योगेश्वर है त्रिपुरारी। नित्यानंद ब्रह्मानंद प्रेमानंद साईं बाबा। नित्यानंद ब्रह्मानंद प्रेमानंद साईं बाबा। भोला भंडारी बाबा शिव 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 साईं बाबा।
भज मन सीताराम, भज मन सीताराम, भज मन शीर घुराम साईं राम, 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 भज मन
साईं देवा अल्लाह यीशु बुद्धर नानक अल्लाह यीशु बुद्धर नानक सौराष्ट्र महावीर तुम हो
ज्ञानमनन्तं ब्रह्म सत्यं ज्ञानमनन्तं ब्रह्म सत्यं ज्ञानम् अनन्तं ब्रह्म सत्यं ज्ञानमनन्तं ब्रह्म सत्यं ब्रह्म ज्ञानं ब्रह्म अनन्तं ब्रह्म सत्यं ज्ञानमनन्तं 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 ब्रह्म सत्यं ब्रह्म ज्ञानं ब्रह्म अनन्तं ब्रह्म सत्यं ज्ञानमनन्तं ब्रह्म
श्रीनारायण पुरुषोत्तम गुरु सेतवतो कंठ विनायक सविता पावक सविता पावक शक्ति यशोदा प्रभुतो रुद्र विष्णु तो राम कृष्ण तो रहे बटाओ रहे बटाओ वासुदेव ईश्वरो बधु चिदानंद हरिदो अद्वितीय तो अकाल निर्भय आत्मलिंग शिवदो आत्मलिंग शिवदो आत्मलिंग शिवदो
असतो मा सत्यमया तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमया मृत्यो मा अमृतं गमया
Om Shri Sai Ram. In order to remember Bhagavan's teachings continuously and to become worthy instruments of our Divine Master, every member has to engage in sadhana, a spiritual discipline which has to be merged with his or her day-to-day life, and every member is encouraged to make his or her family as a unit for such sadhana. Thus, with the view to qualify to become a true member of the organization, the following guidelines are to be followed. Number 1, daily meditation and prayer. Number 2, group devotional singing or prayer with family members once a week. Number 3, participation in Sai spiritual education by children of the family. Number 4, participation in community service work and other programs of the organization. Number 5, regular attendance at the center's devotional meetings. Number 6, regular study of Sri Satya Sai Baba literature. Number 7, the use of soft, loving speech with everyone. Number 8, not speaking ill of others, especially in their absence. And number 9, Narayana Seva. Practice placing a ceiling on desires. Consciously and continuously strive to eliminate the tendency to waste time, money, food, and energy, and utilize the savings for service to mankind. Jai Sai Ram.
My humble pranams at the lotus feet of Swami and a loving Sai Ram to all our brothers, sisters, respected elders and children tuned in tonight. We pray that with Swami's grace, you and your families are healthy, happy and peaceful.
Swami says, "Do not allow the mind to dwell on the faults and vices of others. It will be contaminated thereby. Fix it on the fairness and virtues of others. It will be sanctified thereby. I know that during moments of emotional frenzy, you set aside your real nature and you indulge in abusing others or wish they come to harm or exult over their distress. Such evil thoughts get implanted in your own minds and grow wild, leading to distress and dishonor in return in your own life. Why worry about others? Speak to them if you like them. If you do not like them, leave them alone. Why seek faults in them and talk ill of them? To do so is to invite spiritual downfall. Such people lose all the gains they hope to secure by japa, puja, dhyana or darshan. They will remain bitter despite all these sadhanas, like the bitter gourd which a pilgrim carried with him, intending to make it sweet by dipping it in the holy waters." Divine Discourse, February 29th, 1984.
The announcements for this week are as follows. Gayatri Mantra chanting. We humbly ask all devotees to continue chanting the Gayatri Mantra 3 times a day. And if possible, let us all chant together at 7 p.m. 108 times. Chanting the Gayatri Mantra is one of the most potent forms of seva we can do, as it is selfless and will go to wherever it is needed, unbeknown to us. Prayers for healing. A WhatsApp group has been created to allow devotees to pray for those in need of healing or upliftment. If you have a family member, friend, or know of any person who needs prayer, please contact any of the National Devotional Coordinators to post the request on this group. Wheelchair Reuse Program. The National Go Green team would like to thank all devotees that have supported the Wheelchair Reuse Program. With Swami's grace, we now have loaned out 64 wheelchairs at no cost to needy recipients. Devotees are encouraged to continue to support this program by donating their second-hand or new wheelchairs to be loaned out, thereby spreading Swami's divine love to those in need. Please do contact your regional Go Green champion for further details.
Balvika's Teacher Training Course 2025. The Sri Satya Sai Institute of Educare in South Africa is thrilled to announce the Level 1 Sai Spiritual Education and Balvika's Teacher Training Course for 2025. This 8-month online course is designed to inspire and empower aspiring and trained gurus, as well as parents passionate about holistic education. Dive into Sri Satya Sai Baba's teachings and learn to nurture young minds with transformational techniques. Please register via the link shared with the online announcements. Ekadasha Rudram. The National Devotion Wing of South Africa is pleased to announce the observance of an Ekadasha Rudram that will take place in KwaZulu-Natal and Gauteng on the 30th of March. This prayer is being conducted for Loka Kalyanam, world peace. We encourage all devotees to participate in this sacred offering, in which the Shri Rudram will be offered 11 times at the divine lotus feet of our beloved Swami. The Shri Rudram is a powerful Vedic hymn from the Krishna Yajurveda. The chant, consisting of the Namakam and Chamakam, is believed to purify the mind and environment whilst fostering a connection with the divine. Please reach out to any of our national devotional, regional, or centered devotional coordinators for further information. National Sadhana Camp. The Sri Sathya Sai Global Council of South Africa will be hosting a National Sadhana Camp on the weekend of the 25th to the 27th of July. This camp will be open to all devotees. We will be blessed to also host an alumnus of the Sri Sathya Sai Institute of Higher Learning during this program. Further details will be shared in the upcoming weeks. Gita Shloka classes. The Sri Sathya Sai Educare Wing of South Africa warmly invites you to join in on our monthly Gita Shloka classes. These sessions offer a wonderful opportunity to deepen our understanding of the sacred verses of the Bhagavad Gita as carefully selected for our Balvikas lessons. If you are interested in attending, please register using the link provided in the national communications. The first session will be held on the 23rd of March. Sri Sathya Sai Educare Unity Bhajan, Gauteng. The Sri Sathya Sai Educare branch in Gauteng will be hosting a Unity Bhajan session on the 23rd of March from 9 to 10:30 in the morning at the Sai Anugraha at 54 Stag Road, Glen Austin, Midrand. If you would like further information, please contact either Sister Segri or Brother Daniel, whose contact information has been provided in the national communications. Sri Sathya Sai Education in Human Values Intermediate Course. The Sri Sathya Sai Institute of Educare South Africa invites eligible students to register for the Education in Human Values Intermediate Course. Only students who have completed the SSS EHV Introductory Course or the Balvikas Training Course may apply. The course starts on the 5th of April and registration closes on the 25th of March. Sri Sathya Sai Education Trainer Workshop. The world is calling for value-based education, and Sri Sathya Sai Education offers a powerful platform for transformative change in families, education, society, and the business sector. If you have completed the Sri Sathya Sai Spiritual Education Balvikas Teacher Training Course or the Sri Sathya Sai Education and Human Values Introductory or Intermediate courses offered by the Sri Sathya Sai Institute of Educare South Africa, please fill out the registration form sent out with the national communications. The training session will be held on the 15th of March at 2 p.m. Please register by latest the 12th of March. In prior weeks, Dr. Shrikant Sola shared with us how to be able to just sit quietly with God. First, we have to tell ourselves that we are silence. Then, we must become aware of God's presence whilst continuing to be silence. In this evening's video, we continue with part 3. We pray that you have a peaceful and blessed week ahead. Jai Sai Ram.
Okay, now the third part, I'm going to say there's one thing you can ask for. Okay, one thing, and then we're actually going to try it. So Swami once in a discourse was talking about Hanumanji. Swami loves Hanumanji, loves talking about Hanuman. And in this particular episode that Swami was telling about, he was saying how when Hanumanji had gone to Lanka and was meeting Mother Sita in the Ashokvana, in the forest garden where she was kept. And Mother Sita was so happy with what Hanumanji had come and how he had conveyed the messages from Rama and everything. So she wanted to bless Hanumanji. So Mother Sita blessed Hanumanji that Hanuman, I'm so happy. May you will always be blessed to live forever, to be a Chiranjeevi, and you will always have a youthful appearance. But when she said this to Hanumanji, Swami says that Hanuman wasn't happy. He wasn't thrilled with this. Seeing this, then Mother Sita blessed him again. He said, Hanumanji, you will always be revered and worshipped for your divine qualities. Now, hearing this, Swami said, Hanuman became embarrassed. He didn't like that also. Then Mother Sita blessed him, saying that, Hanumanji, you will always enjoy the love of your Lord Rama. And hearing this, Hanumanji jumped for joy. He was so happy when he received this blessing from Mother Sita. And so the one thing you can ask when you're sitting quietly with the Lord is His love. And that love is all that you need. It's all that you require. And in that love, you'll find that your problems, they actually vanish. They may still be there, but you know what? It's like an anesthetic. You don't feel the pain so much. They don't bother you so much. You don't get angry. You don't get tense. You don't get upset about things. You don't fight with your spouse so much. You just, why ladies are laughing? So it just becomes much easier, no? So you don't get upset at work. You're just so engulfed in that love that Swami gives you, that God gives you. And the reason I'm emphasizing this is because in this time, many of us have actually forgotten God's pure love. Actually forgotten what it is. And so this simple exercise of sitting quietly with the Lord, and once you feel His presence, just bring your awareness to His love. You don't have to ask. Now here's the thing, you're not asking for His love. Okay, don't make that mistake. You're not saying, Swami, I want your love. Why? Did Hanumanji have to ask for Lord Rama's love? No, Lord Rama automatically gave it to him. No, you're not asking for Swami's love. It automatically comes to you. You're just like I was telling about the light, you're just shifting your awareness that the light in the room is on. That's all. You're just shifting your awareness to God's love for you. Yeah? Simple? Okay, so now there's a third step. Step number 1, I am silence. Step number 2, you shift your awareness to God. Step number 3, you shift your awareness to God's love. Yeah? Okay, let's try it. Okay, take a breath or two just to settle yourself down and begin. And come back. Yeah? Could you feel it? Yes? Usha? How about you? Yes? Each person? Swami? Yes? Ash? Simple, no? Simple. That's all. There's nothing to it. Okay? 3 steps to being with the Lord, sitting quietly with the Lord. Number 1, I am silence. It is the easiest thing. Brothers and sisters, it's the easiest thing. You are already silent. You don't have to be silent. You don't have to silence your mind. You don't have to do anything. You're already silent. Your very nature is silence. Thought is an illusion. Your nature is silence. Step 2, shift your awareness to God is here. And step 3, shift your awareness to God's love for me. That's all. Done. Do this 10 times a day. Do it 100 times a day. But sit quietly with the Lord. Okay? The homework is to practice this, and when you come back in 2 weeks, share your experiences and tell me how much you have learned. Okay? Got it? Any questions? No questions? Either you really understood or you didn't understand. It's actually very simple. It's actually very simple. When you say come back, you don't feel like coming back. Yeah, but that's the thing. Now, what will happen when you do this outside this crystal room where the energy is so awesome is that eventually your mind will wander. That's just the nature of the mind, right? It's the nature of the mind to wander, just like it's the nature of fire to be hot or water to be wet. It's the nature of the mind to wander. When that happens, just smile at the mind. Okay? Don't beat yourself up. Don't say, oh, Dr. Sola is really going to scold me. You know, just smile at the mind and go back into that silence again. That's all. That's it. Just smile at that wandering mind and go back into that silence. Simple it is. Yeah.
ॐ जय जगदीश हरि स्वामी सत्य साई हरि भक्त जना संरक्षक भक्त जना संरक्षक भक्ति महेश्वर ॐ जय जगदीश हरि शिवदना श्रीकरा सर्वा प्राणपति स्वामी सर्वा प्राणपति आश्रित कल्पलतिका आश्रित कल्पलतिका अवतारव ॐ जय जगदीश हरि माता पिता गुरुदैवं पर्यन्तयो नीवे स्वामी पर्यन्तयो नीवे नाद ब्रह्म जगन्नाथ नाद ब्रह्म जगन्नाथ नागेन्द्र शरण ॐ जय जगदीश हरि ओंकार रूप शिव साई महादेव सत्य साई महादेव मंगल आरती अंधुको मंगल आरती अंधुको मंगल गिरिधारी ॐ जय जगदीश हरि नारायण नारायण ॐ सत्य नारायण 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 ॐ नारायण नारायण ॐ सत्य नारायण नारायण ॐ सत्य नारायण नारायण ॐ जय सद्गुरुदेवा नारायण नारायण ॐ सत्य नारायण 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 ॐ नारायण नारायण ॐ सत्य नारायण नारायण ॐ सत्य नारायण नारायण ॐ जय सद्गुरुदेवा नारायण नारायण ॐ सत्य नारायण 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 ॐ नारायण नारायण ॐ सत्य नारायण नारायण ॐ सत्य नारायण नारायण ॐ जय सद्गुरुदेवा शांति 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 समस्त लोका सुखिनो भवन्तु समस्त लोका सुखिनो भवन्तु समस्त लोका सुखिनो भवन्तु शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। जय बोलो भगवान श्री सत्य साई बाबा जी की जय।
परमं पवित्रं बाबा विभूतिं परमं विचित्रं लीला विभूतिं परमार्थमिष्टार्थं मोक्षप्रदानं बाबा विभूतिं हृदयमाश्रयामि। परमं पवित्रं बाबा विभूतिं परमं विचित्रं लीला विभूतिं परमार्थमिष्टार्थं मोक्षप्रदानं बाबा विभूतिं हृदयमाश्रयामि। परमं पवित्रं बाबा विभूतिं परमं विचित्रं लीला विभूतिं परमार्थमिष्टार्थं मोक्षप्रदानं बाबा विभूतिं हृदयमाश्रयामि।
ॐ साईश्वराय विद्महे सत्यदेवाय धीमहि तन्नः सर्वप्रचोदयात्। 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 ॐ
साईश्वराय विद्महे सत्यदेवाय धीमहि तन्नः सर्वप्रचोदयात्। ॐ साईश्वराय विद्महे सत्यदेवाय धीमहि तन्नः सर्वप्रचोदयात्। ॐ साईश्वराय विद्महे सत्यदेवाय धीमहि तन्नः सर्वप्रचोदयात्। ॐ साईश्वराय विद्महे सत्यदेवाय धीमहि तन्नः सर्वप्रचोदयात्।